Hi everyone, this is Zerone and welcome to my channel. On this tutorial we are going to see how to install Kivy and make a simple Hello World application. Kivy is a rapid GUI development framework based on Python with native user interface support for applications to be made with. Kivy is platform independent and makes it possible to create applications for different platforms just from a single code base without losing native user interface support. Platforms supported by Kivy are Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and Raspberry Pi. Since Kivy is a framework based on Python, you need to install Python. If you have already installed Python 3.7 or above, you can skip ahead to the next step. Go to Python's homepage. As you can see here, Kivy is listed under GUI development. Go to the download page. Choose 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system specification. I have already downloaded the setup file. It's mandatory to enable this option. Now go to CMD and check if you have completed the installation properly. Type Python and then hit enter. And type print open bracket double quotation hello world double quotation close bracket and then hit enter. If you get the same result, you are ready to continue to the next step. Open CMD and type the following. This will install or upgrade pip, virtual environment, and setup tools. After the installation is complete, we need to create a virtual environment to install Kivy in. Type the following to create a virtual environment with name Kivy_env. After creating the virtual environment, type the following to install Kivy. Now that you have successfully installed Kivy, you can proceed to the next step. Now we can make a Hello World app using Kivy. Open your favorite text editor and write this. Proper indentation is necessary. Save it with .py extension. In order to run your application, you must activate your virtual environment. Type the following to activate your virtual environment. Then copy and paste the file path of your Hello World app.py file and hit enter. Subscribe for more tutorials and thank you for watching.